The last couple of days we've done a Thunder over Louisville forecast video blog, and the reason is I want to spend some time, 3, 4, 5 minutes, being able to talk to you about what to expect during Thunder over Louisville. There's some negatives actually that have occurred here in the last 24 hours, and it looks like the clouds are going to hang on a little bit longer, and that means ultimately temperatures could be a little bit cooler. But instead of talking about it, let me show you about it. And we'll start to look here from Advanced Track, noticing we're starting at 11 p.m. You can see skies remain cloudy, but notice how those temperatures have fallen. We reached a high of 78 degrees or so during the afternoon today, and we've dropped 20 degrees as we go towards 11 p.m. By 1 a.m., you see a secondary area of showers starting to develop. Notice as we move towards 7 a.m., some light showers here east of the downtown area, through around the E-Town area, and then through the Munfordville area. Here's the good news is those showers will end during the morning. But by midday, it's very, very clear that it's going to be chilly. A couple things to note here. Temperatures across our area are widespread in the upper 40s by midday tomorrow. It's going to be cold, it'll be cloudy, and there'll be a north wind around 10 miles per hour. Air show starts at 2 p.m. Notice the clearing line at 2 p.m. near Seymour, near French Lick and Paoli, and then near the Jasper area, but we're still cloudy in Louisville. And as is traditionally the case behind cold fronts in our area, we remain mostly cloudy behind the front. Here's some breaks starting to occur by 4 p.m., but temperatures remain cool in the 56 to 58 degree range. 5 p.m., you see more clearing. So what we're talking about is late afternoon clearing across the area. 7 p.m., our temperatures continue to move up to near 60 in Louisville, Tell City near 60, Paoli near 60, but very important, the skies have cleared. And moving towards 10 p.m., notice skies across our area completely clear, temperatures in the mid-50s, and wind speeds by Saturday at 10 p.m. only 3 miles an hour. So for the fireworks display, it's not going to be that breezy. It's just the temperatures are going to be cool. Now, one thing I mentioned yesterday is when the clouds are below 3,000 feet, it kind of becomes important because that can affect the air show. So what I'm going to show you is what we call atmospheric soundings, and we're going to start at 7 a.m. on Saturday here. What I want you to notice is here in the lower parts of the atmosphere, you see the two lines directly on top of each other. What that means is the cloud height at 7 a.m. tomorrow is going to be only about 1,000 feet off the ground. Now, obviously, for the air show, that would be a problem. Fortunately for us, the air show does not start that early. Now, I want to move forward here, and the time frame we're looking at now is 1 p.m. on Saturday.900 that area where the two lines are right next to each other on the sounding remains. Now, the height has increased to about 978 meters, which is 3,000 feet. So this means by 1 p.m. our cloud height should be moving towards 3,000 feet. Remember, that's the critical height. And as we move towards 7 p.m. here, this is 7 p.m. on Saturday. The 0Z Sunday means 7 p.m. Saturday. And you can see at this point, clouds are absolutely breaking down. And now the height of those clouds is basically 1,500 meters or around 4,500 feet here. So let's then kind of wrap things up in terms of how it looks. The clouds are going to remain during the morning. At midday, we're still cloudy, and the cloud height should be around 2,000 feet. So as the air show starts at 2:30, some of those runs may have to be what we call flat, which means they can't do quite the vertical demonstrations. By 4 p.m., the cloud height is absolutely above 3,000 feet, so we'll go to what we call the normal patterns for the planes. The really, really high vertical displays obviously will be affected by the cloud cover. Moving towards 5, 6, 7 p.m., I think that's when we turn partly cloudy, and as we move towards 10 p.m., which is the fireworks time frame, 9:30 to 10, skies are going to be mostly clear. Now, it's going to be chilly. Temperatures only top at 59, with winds north at 10 during the afternoon, dying down to around 5 miles an hour. That still puts the smoke on the Kentucky side of the river. In terms of how do you deal with this, look, it's going to be dry. That's the positive. Just dress in layers. If you dress in layers, I think you'll have a wonderful Thunder over Louisville.